Hi. So today we are going to look at Google's Agent Development Kit. It's an open source project that Google has just released, and they are promising that it will make the development of agents easy and more intuitive by hiding away and abstracting most of the painful parts of agent development. And I think it shows some promise. So I prepared a notebook poetically in Colab that you can use to get started. It's not that hard, and I spun this up pretty quickly. So let's start with this whole thing. Yeah? So I get started. Let me see. All right. Mhm. Okay. All right. Yeah, rolling. So here we have the notebook. First thing you need to do, of course, is install the package using pip. Um, I've already done that. I've run most of the cells, as you can see. It requires you to create a particular directory structure, which these commands will do. If you run them, then you need to populate uh, those files that you've just created with the necessary details. Let me see. So this of course a example. It's a weather it's a weather agent. It, it looks for information. It answers questions about what the current weather in the city is. So if you run these cells, it should give you no issue. So the last part requires to use a tool called local tunnel that allows us to actually spin up the server that we need and actually access it in the browser. So all you have to do is click on the link that the tool provides. That should open up a new browser window and copy the IP address, which is what we need to fill in. And click submit. That should take us to the dashboard. Nice. So we select an agent. This is the agent that we've just created using all those commands. Our weather agent. So you will see something generic like what is the weather in Mexico City. So that's can't find the information. Typical. Let's try a more common example of what is the weather in New York. It seems to have an answer for that. So there's a lot you can do. Enable stream after has done all the necessary calls, function calls that it needs. But what's interesting is this panel right here, this sidebar. It shows us the events, everything that is happening within the agent. It shows us all the function calls and the responses that the function that the agent makes shows us the state session. So any of these, we can inspect any of these entities. It shows us this is very I did not expect this level of detail, because this shows us visually what exactly the agent is doing. It's fantastic for debugging. It will save us a lot of hassle trying to debug. Essentially, if you've worked with these things, you know that they are notoriously difficult to debug, because they are not deterministic. They might make so checking and ensuring that the agent does exactly what you want it to do has been has usually been very hard. And I think there have been similar attempts to log what these agents are doing, especially with frameworks such as uh, LangChain and LangGraph. They have a service that they call Langsmith, which logs what the agents are doing and allows you to replay what it does. So it's kind of nice that they are doing this for us, and that this is packaged in an open source way, in a way that is not a separate service. This is local to us, and I think if we can start dealing with these things, yeah, this